Malaking bahagi ng buhay ng isang tao ay ginugugol sa school. Kaya natural lang na maraming insidente ang nangyayari. Ngunit sa video na ito, tutukuyin natin ang mga hindi magagandang pangyayari sa school, kung saan ang mga student o teacher ay nagkakaroon ng crashing out at nawawalan ng kontrol sa kanilang mga emosyon. Bago ko ipakita ang unang clip, may nakikita na ba kayong nagkakaroon ng crashing out sa inyong school?
Sa unang clip na ito, may mahigpit na policy na bawal ang paggamit ng phone sa klase. Ang nakakagulat ay kalmado lang ang student kahit kinumpis ka ang kanyang phone.
So, I mean, it's blood. There's a war, and it takes many years for this to kind of come to fruition. Colin, are you texting? Sorry. I have a strict policy about texting. So, let's turn to John Locke. This treatise is published in 1690. Second treatise on government. Locke begins by talking about, well, what is the natural condition of human beings? Who are human beings?
Sa totoo lang, kung ako ang nasa sitwasyon, baka nagkaroon ako ng crashing out kung may sumira ng aking phone sa ganoong paraan, kahit na lumalabag ako sa patakaran. Para sa akin, sobra na yon. Pero ang student na ito ay kalmadong umalis sa classroom na nagpapakita ng mahusay na pagkontrol sa emosyon. Hindi tulad ng teacher sa susunod na clip.
Anybody with good sense ought to be weary of a stranger, okay? But maybe you don't have good sense because you're sitting here arguing with me and you're making me mad and I'm gonna send you to the office if you don't shut up!
Sa tingin ko, masyadong lumapit ang teacher. Halos mahalikan pa nga ang student. Pero hindi yun ang pangunahing punto. Bakit sumisigaw ang mga teacher sa mga student na halatang hindi nakikinig? Ang pagsigaw ay hindi nakakatulong, kaya dapat ay ipadala na lang sila sa opisina.
You to the office if you don't shut up!
Masyadong maraming hindi angkop na bagay ang nasabi ng student na ito, kaya tumawag ng pulis at siya'y inaresto. Habang inaaresto, naglakas loob pa siyang tawaging worst teacher ever ang kanyang teacher.
I swear to God, I hate you, bro. You're the worst teacher ever. You get me taken out of here because I want to apologize. Because I want to apologize. You started yelling at me. You tried to embarrass me about my paper. You're a terrible teacher. Is somebody recording this? Oh, everybody is. You're recording this because that's ridiculous. Yes, that really is. She sit here and say she loves black people and stuff, but you know what's happening? Guys, you yelled at her first. You yelled at her first, but you don't have to yell at me innocent. You hear that? I have tried my GPA. I graduated 8 places almost. I did not see the whole class. You were yelling at her. You were yelling at her. That's ridiculous.
Sa tingin nyo ba ay sobra ang pagtawag sa pulis at pag-aresto sa student o ito ba ay isang magandang halimbawa upang hindi ulitin ng mga bata ang parehong pagkakamali? Sa tingin ko ay sobra ito dahil wala naman nakikitang tunay na karahasan o pananakit. Ngunit kung may karahasan at may nasaktan, ang pagtawag sa pulis at sa mga magulang ay syempre ang pinakamahusay na solusyon. Sa clip na ito, nakita natin ang parehong sitwasyon kung saan kinumpis ka at sinira ang phone ng isang student. Hindi ko sinusuportahan ang mga teacher na sumisira ng mga phone. Hindi ko maintindihan ang psychology sa likod nito. Dapat man lang ay bilhan nila ng bagong phone ng student.
Put in your pocket. Hey, I said put in your pocket. I'm so tired of you guys. You're playing with the phones when we're talking. You can give us 2 or 3 minutes to talk without playing with phones, okay? You want to play with your phone, Mary? Here, play with this. Play with that. You wanna play with that now? I broke your phone because you're not listening. No, I'm not gonna buy you another phone. If you're not gonna follow the rules, there's consequences. April Fools! April Fools, everybody! April Fools!
Ang clip na yun ay peke. Pero inilagay pa rin namin dahil naniwala rin kami sa umpisa hanggang sa napanood namin ito ng buo. Gayunpaman, nakakatawa yon. At pagkatapos ng nakakatuwang clip na yon, narito pa ang isa pang nakakatuwang totoong clip na nahanap namin.
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Shut the f*** Hey!
Not nice.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You need to leave?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he's out.
Nakakatawa yon. Pero sa totoo lang, ang bata ay 5 taong gulang pa lang at hindi dapat gumagamit ng ganoong mga salita. Sino kaya ang nagturo sa kanya ng mga salitang yon? Siguro dapat bawasan ng kanyang ama ang oras niya sa internet.
Ito ang nangyayari kapag sobra ang oras mo sa internet.
This punishment stuff is going to stop.
You're not gonna tell me what I'm gonna do and not do.
I am now the...
Well, not how this works. I am the teacher.
The alpha takes priority over the teacher. The alpha takes priority over everything. Do you not know how that
The
works?
teacher is telling the alpha to seat right now.
And the alpha doesn't have to listen to orders from its lower.
Well, you don't have to listen, but the consequences that follow are going to still apply to the alpha.
Ang susunod na generation ay magiging kakaiba. Marami silang gagamiting slang na hindi natin maiintindihan. Tatawanan na lang natin. Pero dapat itong itigil sa aking palagay. Isipin mo, 60 ka na at may isang bata na kakausapin ka ng ganun. Anong gagawin mo? Sobrang nagalit ang bata na ito, kaya ibinalibag niya ang table. Panoorin nyo.
Oh my god.
It's not on me.
Bruh. Somebody's done.
He's gonna knock you out.
Oh!
Watch where you're throwing that mother. Look, come on, stick it on your damn throat. Stretch your
Now.
Oh!
Sit down.
Oh!
ass, white boy ass. You all come here.
Erica.
Stop it.
Erica, stop.
Holy sh!
Talk to you like that.
Erica. Erica, sit down.
Bet you won't hurt him. Oh! Sh!
Naintindihan ko ang kanyang galit. Ngunit sa palagay ko ay dapat niyang kontrolihin ang kanyang emosyon at tahimik na umalis sa classroom sa halip na ibalibag ang table. Iyon ay hindi kailangan sa aking palagay. Sa tingin mo ba ay tama ang bata na ito at may punto siya?
They don't freaking get this. If you would just get up and teach them instead of handing them a freaking packet, yo. There's kids in here who don't learn like that. They need to learn face to face. You're just getting mad because I'm pointing out the obvious and you choose. No, I'm not wasting your time. I'm telling you what you need to do. You want kids to come into your class, you want them to get excited for this, you gotta come in here, you gotta make them excited. You want a kid to change and start doing better, you gotta touch his freaking heart. Can't expect a kid to change if all you do is just tell him. You gotta take this job serious. This is the future of this nation. And when you come in here, like you did last time, and make a statement about, oh, this is my paycheck, indeed it is. But this is my country's future and my education.
I respect that. Can you go outside, please?
Squad
I got
But there's a limit. When I'm not but simply making an observation.
Okay.
And now I will leave. You're welcome. And if you would like, I'll teach you a little more so you can actually learn how to teach a freaking class. Because since I got here, I've done nothing but read packets. So don't try and take credibility for teaching me jack.
Just go. Bye.
Sa tingin ko, may magandang punto ang bata na yun, pero hindi natin alam kung ano ang nangyari bago nito. Kaya hindi ko gaanong masisisi, pero kalmado siya at hindi nagbalibag ng mga table. Binigyan ng teacher na ito ng leksyon ang student. Panoorin nyo.
You sure you aren't gonna break a hip?
No, my hips are actually in better shape than your hips.
You wanna tell me why that is?
I don't know. Maybe it's because I exercise and you don't. Exercise and you don't.
Yeah, because you exercise and I don't. That's a comment on my weight. You need to leave me the alone. You don't scare me.
Guess what? You don't scare me.
I don't want to. I just want to teach you a lesson.
What kind of lesson you gonna teach me?
How to teach yourself to shut.
What do you have this on video?
So, iyan ang mga school crash outs para sa video na ito. Kung gusto nyo ng part 2, siguraduhin mag-iwan ng comment. At kung mayroon kang hindi sinasang-ayunan, ipaalam sa amin sa comments. O kung nagkamali kami. At bago ka umalis, siguraduhin mag-like at mag-subscribe.